everybody. It's another day.
Yeah.
But we're dressed the same.
Exactly.
We didn't wash enough clothes.
Yeah, we just hung out here on the swing all day.
Yeah, all day and night. Okay, so what I wanted, or we wanted to bring about for everybody for the coming week is something to help you through, to make it through the week sometimes. Sometimes it's really challenging, sometimes it's not, but this is something that I read every morning.
It's at the top.
And every night.
At the bottom.
Yeah. All right, so this is what it says.
Okay, we're ready.
Okay, so if you give energy to something that is negative, such as worry, anxiety, or fear, then you build it to such a state it becomes worse than any action directed towards you. We have the power to transform energy into whatever we want. When we realize, or when you realize and know that you are a spiritual entity that has nothing but neutral and positive energy, and hold on to that belief, it is guaranteed you will not have the problems that you had before. We're always going to have challenges, but it won't be as horrific or as heightened as it was before if we follow these, these little guidelines. When met with challenges, allow yourself to notice you have this chance to do things differently, and allow the challenge to pass through looking for positive change in your life. So it's chance, choice, change.
Chance, choice, and change.
Because you have to move, you have to do the action. You can't just sit there and wait for things to happen, because it won't. Well, it might, but it's not going to be as...
It's a part of why we're here.
Exactly.
We have to move. We're creators. We got to make it happen.
Yep.
And then there's even more of a victory when it comes about.
Yeah, because all this worry that I went through I can't remember. I can't even remember what it was, but I could not sleep. I remember what it was.
What was it?
It was Kathy Vasquez's fundraiser.
Oh, right.
And I didn't realize that I had to put my checking account. And I thought I just had to do that to show that I was a real person, but not realizing that the money was going to go in my checking account.
Right.
And you don't want that. No. You want to keep it separate.
Exactly.
But when I went to the bank, because I was stressing, going, oh my God, because Vera's not a good accountant. So I'm like, how am I going to keep track of these things? And so I went to the bank to open up what do you call it? Like not a
separate account?
A separate, but just like a temporary account
for her.
And they were going, well, no, the government doesn't really like when people do that, because I guess it's money laundering. It could be money laundering, kind of thing. So she said your best bet is to put it in your savings account, which I have no money in, so that works. So I can really figure out.
Like, okay, this is Kathy's.
This is Kathy's.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. So then I put it in there, and it was nothing. It was just like, all I had to do was change account numbers.
But that's a great example of we don't have to spend our energy stressing to make it bigger and bigger.
But you would think after the bank I would be feeling better. No, I was going, I don't know what my savings account routing number is. I stressed and stressed. And then some kind person, Trexler, showed me where it was, and it was nothing. It was just quick. Worried for nothing.
Helping each other, yeah. That's a great message.
Yeah.
We're going to all ponder over that.
I don't know about that, but...
Good message.
Yeah, that message, yeah, because it really, if you read it all the time, it really works. Because it reminds you.
Yeah. My brother has a note that says, believe good thoughts.
Yep.
So he has that little visual reminder. It kind of reminds me of what you're saying, because a lot of times we focus on a negative.
Of course.
And then
he's
focusing on it more, puts so much energy into it, just what you were saying.
Yeah.
But it's the more energy that we put into the good thoughts, things
and
are getting better for him.
It's better that it says believe good thoughts instead of think good thoughts, because you have to believe them.
Exactly.
Because your subconscious knows if you don't believe it.
For sure.
Yeah, so.
All right.
That's it.
Thanks for joining us, guys.
I'm roasting to death out here in the autumn.
Yeah.
This autumn breeze.
California autumn.
Yeah.
Love you guys.
Love you too.